just see you one day and just alert one of the blog channels or something, and just like that, you probably end up in prison or the
I
white
get the
out
drift.
for good. Yeah.
I get the drift. I get the drift.
Yeah.
Yeah, artist now, you know?
Exactly. And that's why I can draw some in a girl face anytime, anywhere, make the headlines.
Yeah, real character, you know? But thanks for the encouragement. Some girl have to move up for you.
Hello! Move up like some girl have to move up, get up. Come here, come here. Look at me too prima, look at me too proper. Look here. Tell us something up to a big girl. But you see when you have a man, you have to, them are alpha man, so they want an alpha female. More you go so, chest out, foot bending so, chest up so. A girl have to move up now. That more yeah. Do you know? Yeah.
A girl have to move up now!
Right. No, you can't laugh about the thing. No, you can't laugh about them. Man, slide to your teeth, girl. Don't laugh. I want to you. You have to come, man. Come here, so. What is your name? You know her name? She black or she brown?
Black.
She black? She name Tiffany? Hey, girl, Tiffany! I thought you move up now. I want you. Come here. I'm me, cousin, and a girl. You see right now, so allow me go too. Make me ignorant. Come like a meet up with one of you. Girl, just take my stupid advice, yeah? My foolish advice. If your life is too short, you're not always try to win. Put you first at all times, Tonian. All times. You come first. No girl, no boy, yeah?
Thanks, Princess. I didn't really need that partner.
That's alright.
But like that suspense there because the princess, when me know, long gone.
Look here, no? You see my manager? She's rough. You see my man? I'm rough. So let me know that you're about to be rough too. I just say, come on, take your time. So now go up there, so? So now go up blacks? So go over your shoulder, so?
Remember, I carry a name.
Alright. Karim. You say anytime you look like you must switch up and go back to blacks? Remember? Yeah. Remember? Alright, boss. Later.
Right.
Take care.
Hello? Yes, this is Agent T. Code number 043003. The number I just send you more track and send me the location. Yes, it's a potential suspect. Alright.
It's too short, you're not always try to win. Put you first at all times, Tonian.
I know that coming to see you was a risk. But for you, I'm willing to take that risk. And you're right. I definitely don't want to put you in any form of danger. But I can't live my life with you not in it, Tiffany. So, if I can't see you, then you can sure to come and look for me. At least I know that we'll have that time together.
Okay. I guess.
I guess.
Yes, okay. I'll come see you and
Okay.
come on, it's difficult right now.
Alright, so tell me all the juicy stuff.
Juicy. I mean, since I came back, I've been looking into going into like investigative journalism.
Really?
Yes, ma'am. But I have not necessarily started yet. You know, Daddy was trying to hook me up, and I told him that I want to do this on my own. So I've made a couple breakthrough, if I can call it that, with some agencies. So hopefully I'll start soon.
I like the fact that you and your father have gotten close to.
Yeah.
So tell me, what about Kareem? What's going on there?
Well, Hi, Tonian. What's up?
We need to talk.
When would that be?
Like right now, if it's possible.
Well, actually, I'm kind of busy now, but I could come see you in about 2 hours or so.
No worries, I'm here.
You're here?
I'm downstairs.
Downstairs?